Good afternoon. நம்ம இந்த வீடியோல என்ன பார்க்க போறோம் அப்படின்னா assignment operators in Python பார்க்க போறோம். So I think in the previous videos we discussed on like relational operators என்ன, logical operators என்ன, arithmetic operators என்ன அப்படிங்கிறது நம்ம பார்க்க போறோம். So next நம்ம பார்க்க போறது இருக்குல்ல lowest priority operator, that is called assignment operators in Python. So normally the assignment operator in Python it is used to copy the value of right side value or HS right hand side expression value into memory location. So அதாவது right side இருக்கிற value memory locationக்கு நீங்க copy பண்றதுக்கு மாதிரி யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். For example, so I'm going to say a equal to 60. So this value normally it will always to copy the value or assign the value, copy, or maybe you can say that assign the value of the right hand side value into memory location. அதாவது மெமரியில வந்து நீங்க என்ன பண்ணலாம், அசைன் பண்ணிக்கலாம், சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிக்கிறதுக்காக நீங்க யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். இப்போ இந்த லெமா என்ன சொல்றீங்கன்னா 60ங்கிறது வேல்யூ, that is the direct value is copied into as a memory location a. ஓகேங்களா? And for or maybe you can say like this, a equal to b plus something, so that here that some expressions you have, so that the syntax for assignment operator is here, the syntax for assignment operator is, so identifier name, that is a variable name. Only it's left hand side you must to have a variable name. Then here it may be an expression or it may be a single identifier. I will tell you what it is, identifier, or it may be a value we call as constant value. Clear? For example 1, so for this one, for expression for f equal to, I'm going to say that s plus b star c and d, so like that you can write. So it consists of some expression, so that the result of expression will be stored in f. So here the purpose of your assignment operator is just to evaluate your entire expression and to copy the final result of this expression into this memory location f. Clear? Okay, so for example 2, maybe you can write a equal to b. So here the value from the memory location b is copied into the memory location a. Clear? Okay, or otherwise you can say like this, 8. So the values, it may be a constant, so that the value 8 will be copied into memory location a. So that the purpose of your assignment operator is to copy the values from right side into left side, so that the input may be on any data type. I mean that it may be as numbers, it may be as for any data type, or maybe that boolean, or it may be a string, or it may be a list, or it may be a tuple, or it may be a dictionary, or it may be a set, or it may be a tuple. Whatever may be, it will accept all type of data type. So here there is no output, here just to copy the values. Here no output, there is no output you will get, just you can copy the values in a memory. You can't get any output and all. Clear? So that here the assignment symbol operator is, the symbol is, so here the symbol is just a minute, just I can go to copies. So here the symbol is equal, single equal, double equal means it is a relational operators. Clear? This is called assignment operator, simply we call assignment. Assign தான் பண்ண போறோம், so that it accept any data type as input, but there is no output, it's just to copy it only. So it will be a binary operator because the value of the left side value is copied into right side, so that we needed 2 operands, so that it is a binary operator. So copy the value of right hand side into RHS into LHS. Clear? And this is a priority. Here only one operator we have, so that it is a lowest priority. The working principle of our assignment operator is R2L. So these are some of the examples for assignment operators. Okay, so maybe the values may be an expression, or it may be a copy from any one of the identifier, or it may be directly we can copy the constant value here. Clear? Okay, so and another important thing you must to understand, actually in the left hand side we must to have only the variable name. But if you are given like this, A plus B equal to something C like this, clear? But mathematically, we can know that the value of this A plus B will be stored in C. It will be called as a C. But actually, in programming language, it won't accept. If you define like that, it is not a correct method. Always in left-hand side, you must have only one identifier, and the right side only you should have. So once if you are represent like that, it will be shown an error message. So just we can see that. For example, A equal to 56, it will be stored, and A equal to 5, 6. I'm going to represent some expressions and B. So something we can define here actually that neither of the is not exist. So this A I'm going to A. So if I'm printing away, so the final the expression results will be recorded. Clear? Okay. So like that, we need to define it. So by using this assignment operator, just we are going to copy it. Okay, just I'm going to change that format like this. For example, 4 plus 5 equal to A. I'm going to give it like that. Here it is a value, but here it represents the memory location. Always the left-hand side must define a memory location, but here it defines some calculation. So it is wrong. So that it makes a syntax error, so that you can't able to assign to the operator. So here it is an operation, so that you can't assign this value of this A to any operator, so that it is wrong. So that always in left side, means before equal, you must have only the variable name. You can't able to do like this. 5 plus 6 minus 7. So like that you can't define. This is a literal. Literal means it is a constant. So always in the left hand side, there is a possibility of it must have the name of the identifier must be there. See here there is no error message will be stored. So that here we will call as RHS. RHS always to represent the value, and LHS always to represent the memory location. So for assignment operator, RHS always to represent a value. It is very, very important for any programming language, and for LHS to always to represent a memory location. Memory. It should not represent any value. LHS எப்பவுமே உங்களுக்கு memory representation பண்ணக்கூடாது. It must to represent only the value. Clear? So this is the basic things about your assignment operator. Even here the shorthand assignment operator also to come into play. Shorthand assignment operator. It is very, very important. Shorthand assignment operator. Okay, so for shorthand assignment operator, the thing is just see here that I'm going to perform the operation is like this. So A equal to A plus B. And I want to know about the working principle of R2L. I forgot to say that. Then I will go with shorthand assignment operator. For example, I'm going to say A equal to B, B equal to C. I'm going to means B equal to 3. So like that, I'm going to assign assume. Clear? So it means that the value of the 3 is copied into B, then the value in the memory location B is copied into A. So that the first B equal to 3 will work, then the result of value from B will be copied into A. So that it will work with the principle of logics. So B equal to something, some calculation I'm going to define. It may be on any expression. So if you are copying the value of A, but actually here the both A and B will be pointed to the same thing. But the working principle is right to right, so that right to left, so that this operator will be evaluated first, so that the copy of this 3 will be copied into B. Then the copy of the value the value of B is copied into A. So that is the working principle of your operators. Okay, now we on to the shorthand assignment operator. So normally the shorthand assignment operator is applicable for arithmetic operators, bitwise operators and all. Clear? Okay, so here that the shorthand assignment operator working principle is here the assignment operator have a lowest priority than other operators. And here, so that is a plus operator we have. See the name of the identifier in both left hand side and right side. Here we have only one operation, that is a plus. So before this assignment operation, that the plus operator will work. In this situation, the operands is A for this operation. So that So here you can express it as A equal to A plus B. So here the left side operator means identifier and the right side identifier are same, and this plus operator is evaluated before this assignment operator. In this situation, we can apply the shotgun assignment operator. Shotgun means you are going to write that identifier only one time, and you are going to identify what is the next operation before equal. So plus, then put a equal, and you are going to define the remaining things. இதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன இருக்கு நீங்க as usual எழுதிக்கலாம். This is the way you are going to convert. For example, I'm going to define A equal to A plus B minus C. So like that is the operation I have. Here I am unable to make it as a shotgun assignment operator, even though the condition is the left side operand so that the name identifier and the right side identifiers are same. But here the order of the evaluation is plus and minus are there, so that here the order of evaluation, the plus are evaluated first, and next to the minus will be evaluator. Correct? But actually, according to the concept of shotgun assignment operator, the operator means that this identifier will be participated in the calculation before this equal operation. That is the meaning. But here, the value of the A plus B is evaluated, and the result of this A plus B will be used for this subtraction operation. But if you do like this, instead of this, not possible to apply shotgun assignment operator, not possible to apply. For this category, not possible to apply. நீங்க இந்த இடத்துல அப்ளை பண்ண முடியாது. ஏன்னா பிளஸ் அது ஆக்சுவலா என்ன, இந்த ஈக்குவலுக்கு முன்னாடி இந்த ஆப்பரண்ட்க்கு முன்னாடி என்ன இருக்கோ அந்த ஆபரேட்டர் ஒர்க்கா தான் பண்ண முடியும். ஆனா இந்த கேஸ்ல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா பிளஸ்க்கு அப்புறம் மைனஸ்க்கு அப்புறம் தான் ஈக்குவல் வருது. சோ அப்ப அதனால உங்களால பண்ண முடியாது. ஓகேங்களா? ஏன்னா இந்த சோ நீங்க அப்ளை பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ரூல் வந்து ரெண்டு ஐடென்டிஃபையரும் ஸ்டார்டிங் லெஃப்ட் சைடுலயும் ரைட் சைடுலயும் சேமா இருக்கணும். இந்த ஐடென்டிஃபையருக்கு அப்புறம் இமிடியேட்டா இருக்கிற ஆபரேஷன் வந்து இந்த ஈக்குவலுக்கு முன்னாடி கடைசியா ஆபரேஷனா இருக்கணும். பட் ஆனா இந்த இடத்துல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா மாறி வந்திருக்கும். ஓகேங்களா? ஓகே. சோ பட் இந்த கேஸ் நீங்க இந்த மாதிரி பண்ணலாம். இன் கேஸ் திஸ் மைனஸ்க்கு பதிலா யூ கேன் ஹேவ் a star. இப்போ in case இந்த இடத்துல you have a star, இந்த இடத்துல உங்களுக்கு ஸ்டார் இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா then you are going to evaluate this B star C. B star C தான் first evaluate பண்ணிருவீங்க. Here the star the first preference, ஸ்டாருக்கு அப்புறம் தான் plus, the final priority goes for equal operator. கரெக்ட்டுங்களா? ஓகே. So here this identifier A க்கு பக்கத்துல இருக்கிற ஐடென்டிஃபையர்ஸ் என்னன்னா, சாரி ஏக்கு பக்கத்துல இருக்கிற ஆபரேட்டர் வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா பிளஸ். the plus operator வந்து ஈக்குவலுக்கு முன்னாடி தான் பெர்ஃபார்ம் ஆகுது. So that you can apply the shotgun assignment as usual. நீங்க as usual shotgun assignment operator யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். So that அந்த ஐடென்டிஃபையரை ஒரே ஒரு டைம் மட்டும் நீங்க எழுதிட்டு A plus, not only for plus, any operator கூட இருக்கலாம். Okay, just let us change the operators here. Minus. So A minus equal, then remaining the minus க்கு அப்புறம் remaining என்ன இருக்கோ அதை நீங்க அப்படியே எழுதிடலாம். This is called shotgun assignment operator. I can repeat, so I can show it here. Assume A equal to 3, so B equal to 4, and C equal to 5. Clear? Okay, so the expression is A equal to A minus B star C. So that the value of the B star C is 4 into 5, 20. So that 3 minus 20, the answer is minus 17. Correct? Okay. Okay. Small correction I want to say. A minus. Okay. So here it is a minus 17. Again, I'm going to apply the shotgun assignment operator. So B equal to 4 and C equal to 5. Here the value of A is updated. So that if you are using A, it would show this 3. So that all I can change. So my shotgun assignment operator is A equal to minus B star C. So that just I'm displaying the value of A. 17. So even if you are representing any expression with the help of shotgun assignment operator, the result of your calculation won't change. So that is the concept of a shotgun assignment operator. So that you can apply the shotgun assignment operator for plus, equal, minus, equal also applicable. And also you can apply for multiplication. All arithmetic operator is possible to apply. Minus, plus equal, so star equal, division equal, modulo equal. Modulo equal and floor division equal, and also power equal also applicable. Clear? And also it will be applicable for all that bitwise operators also. But we'll discuss all later on. Just you can remember it. So that bitwise operators and equal, like R equal, I mean, so one's complement equal, same way R equal, there is OR operator, OR operator equal, that is right shift equal, left shift equal, there is a one's complement equal, there is a equal you can apply. So these are the different kind of, and the shortcut assignment operator is possible. So this kind of the shortcut assignment operator is applicable. So then the remaining things is it will working principle is that is right to left. Clear? Okay. So this is the way we are working with the concept of shortcut assignment operators. So okay. So thank you.